Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their real life day-to-day life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board. Classes first, and the subject is mathematics, and the lesson name is money. Money is the lesson which tells about the counting the value of currencies and coins, and also the counting the values, and also the addition based activity. And the innovation idea used in this money is called wrong chart teaching method. Wrong chart teaching method is a type of a revision based activity. The concept is we are linking the sentence, wrongly mentioned sentence which are connecting with the lesson. The statements of the lessons are wrongly mentioned over here, and we are making the students to revise the concept and correct the wrongly mentioned sentence into a right one. So this is the major concept. This is the most important concept of this wrong chart teaching method. This wrong chart teaching method covers the identification of common currencies and coins, and also the counting from the values of 1 to 9, and also the addition. For doing this wrong chart teaching method, we are mentioning the wrongly mentioned statements linking to the lesson which we taught. So for an example, we have taught this money lesson 2 days back or yesterday. For the very next day, we are doing this wrong chart teaching method. We are going to use the board as the wrong chart. So likewise, for money and coins and currencies, we are going to draw 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee currency note is drawn in the board. Either the figure is required or the shape of the coin and 1, 2 or 5 rupee mentioned is can be accepted. So this is drawn as a wrong chart, and we are creating a scenario or the place or a situation which makes the students to calculate and count the value and correct the wrong statement into a right one. For an example, we have mentioned that we are asking the either by asking question or with the chart it can be made. So let's take an example. There is a chart. In the chart we have mentioned a wrongly mentioned statement, that is 5 plus 7 is equal to 5 rupee plus 7 rupee is equal to 15 rupees. In the sense, the actual current value is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, but it was mentioned wrongly as 15. We are identically we are picking one student randomly, or we are selecting one student as well our wish. Either it can be roll number wise, either it can be randomly. We are picking student, and we should make sure every student is getting the opportunity to do that. And the student should get up. The student which we are picking up should get up, and he have to find the wrongly mentioned statement and they have to correct it. So it is written 5 plus 7 rupee is equal to 12 rupee. Is equal to 15 rupee, and the student should find the error and the mistake which was done in this wrong chart, and he or she have to correct that sentence into it is 12 rupee. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Either they can calculate, or either they can take a scenario like he is already having 5 rupee, 7 rupees given by his father. So totally adding that, how many rupees you will be having in hand. It can be created as a situation and making the students to correct the value and make them to count the value of money and counting the numbers between 1 to 9, and also the addition. It connects the students with the real life atmosphere, and also the correcting this wrongly mentioned statements make the students to understand the lessons thoroughly, and also make them to revise the lesson thoroughly. Let's take another example. We are telling that you are having 5 rupee in hand. You are buying a chocolate for 2 rupee. You have spent 2 rupee. So how much you will be having in your hand? You will be we are mentioning the wrong statement that you are having 7 rupee in your hand, but the statement tells that 5 rupees there, you have spent 2 rupee. Now you are having 7 rupee. So justify in the sense means the students will be calculating 5 rupees there, 2 rupees deducted. So already he spent 2 rupees, so there should be 3 rupee. It is not 5 rupees. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. It is not 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Likewise, making the students to understand the situation, make them to understand the statement, and making them to correct the wrongly mentioned statements is helping them to calculate the values, counting the currencies and also the coins. So this is the innovation idea called wrong chart teaching method used in this lesson, money. So more about these different types of innovation ideas using in lessons, you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.